Hey guys, welcome back to Gator Jack RC. A little bit of mail call, and I believe I'm gonna do a wrenching video. Some mail call, Vitavon came through. Yes sir, NHXX. Yeah, I thought I'd give them a try out because my MIPs are worn out, especially the 2.0. And I got some speed bits, been needing some of those. Came with some flathead built in Phillips. But here's what I'm really excited about. Yes sir. Tuti is gonna be matching, boy. Bulkheads, hubs, shock towers, chassis. I love it. A, B, C, D blocks. Love it. So that's what's up. See, absolutely love the purple, man. They did this just for Tuti, man. Huh, Toots? Man. Just sexy. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave one side stop and do one side and show you the difference. But so far, man, surprised Vitavon didn't put a winglet on there. You know, hot racing right here, they put the carbon fiber. I like how this is all one piece. Why didn't they do that there? That's just me. I ain't too big of a stickler or whatnot. But yeah, boy, she's gonna match up nice. Alright, see you in a second. Alright guys, I got one side done. Alright guys, we're 3/4 done on the hubs. Got the rear on. Man, that matching collaboration looks just fantastic. Nice ass, Tuti. One more hub to go, y'all, and Tuti will be complete on the hubs. Hey guys, let me clean up my area real quick, and I'm about to showcase Tuti. Alright guys, I am pretty stinking proud of this build. This is probably the cleanest build I've done since Grim Reaper, because I'm murdering him out. Yep, y'all see the new shocks? Yep. But here you go. Man, if Vitavon can make some, probably do, I just don't know. Some titanium colored chassis braces and everything. I might get the upper arms. I might. There y'all go, man. Tuti is looking sexy. These tactics, I talked to her buddy, and she says she's single.